to welcome you to the KDP course on how to open a KDP or Amazon account for free. So I would like to welcome you and I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity. But this is a full practical class, a full practical video, and I would like you to please either have your laptop beside you or another phone beside you, or you have a book and a biro beside you so you can write the steps I'll be showing you shortly. So the first thing I need to do is go to your Chrome browser and type in kdp.amazon.com. KDP, just as you can see on your screen. And then immediately you click on enter, it's going to take you to this page right here. Now immediately this page opens, go to the top right corner. If you are using a laptop, you already see it. The top right corner. If you are using a phone, you need to zoom in and click on sign up. You see it right there, sign up, the top right corner. Now, after clicking on sign up, the sign in page is going to open, but you don't have an Amazon account yet. So we're going to go scroll down and click on create a new KDP account. Now you fill in your name, your email, create a password, and then you create your new KDP account. Immediately you click on create your new KDP account, a page is going to open where you need to solve a puzzle. Now after clicking on solve puzzle, another page is going to open. There are different kind of puzzles that they might show you. Immediately you solve that puzzle, you'll be asked to verify your email. Then you go to your email, which is type in gmail.com, and this page is going to open up. Your email is going to open up with the Amazon message going to be the first message or the first text you see. So all you need to do is click on the Amazon text, then you see a one-time password. You copy it and then you go to the Kindle or Amazon page and then you paste and click on verify. After this, you input or type in your phone number. Then a one-time password will be sent to your phone or the line that you registered with it. So all you need to do is go check your phone or your text messages and then type in the one-time password that will be sent to that phone number you used in registering. After clicking on this, you'll see a terms and condition page. All you need to do is just click agree. If you want to read the terms and condition, there's no problem, but all you need to do at this point is to click on agree, and voila, you are in. Your Amazon account is ready and you can go ahead and start publishing your books very easily. But then I would like to add that this is just the first stage for you to start earning successfully from your Amazon account. So I would like you to click on the second link that was sent to you for this training, and we'll begin the stage 2 where you open a foreign bank account.